Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix AI-powered fraud prevention with Stripe, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix AI-powered fraud prevention with Stripe, start by assessing your current setup. Log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the settings section. Review your fraud prevention settings under the radar option. Take note of your current rules and their effectiveness in detecting fraudulent activities. Next, experiment with the pre-built rules that Stripe offers, which are designed to identify common fraud patterns. Consider customizing these rules to better fit your specific business needs. Adjust the thresholds for detecting fraud according to your transaction volume and customer behavior. Enable smart filtering to allow Stripe to dynamically adjust rules based on real-time transaction insights. Next, review the data from past transactions to identify false positives. Adjust your fraud detection settings based on the insights gathered from these transactions. Ensure that you have clear communication channels established for legitimate customers to resolve issues quickly. Implement additional verification steps for high-risk transactions, such as two-factor authentication. Regularly update your fraud prevention strategies as fraud techniques evolve. Monitor the performance of your updated settings through the Radar dashboard. Analyze trends in false positives and false negatives after making adjustments. Gather feedback from your team about the effectiveness of the changes implemented. Continuously refine your approach based on ongoing analysis and feedback. This iterative process will help improve your AI-powered fraud prevention system. Stay informed about new features and updates released by Stripe regarding fraud prevention. Incorporating these strategies will help enhance your ability to detect and prevent fraud effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.